After having evaluated 200 nominations across 30 categories, which includes everything in tech from smartphones, laptops, wearables, TWS headphones, CPUs from laptops, SoCs from mobile phones, and users' choice categories.
At India's biggest tech awards event, hosted by nearly 30 of the most distinguished tech influencers and publications.
And vetted and judged by over 40 esteemed jury members from the Indian tech industry.
We finally reached the end of the Indian Gadget Awards 2021.
And we've received over 20,000 votes in the User's Choice category, and there were some clear winners.
So let's move past this nail-biting moment and take a look at the winners.
Award for the best phone of 2021 under Rs 10,000 goes to not one but two mobile phones, the Realme Narzo 30A and Infinix Hot 11.
So the runner-up for the best smartphone of 2021 under the 20,000 price segment is the Poco X3 Pro, and the winner is none other than the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So congratulations to the winners.
So the best smartphone of 2021 under 30,000, the runner-up is the Xiaomi Mi 11X and the winner is the OnePlus Nord 2.
और यहाँ पे रनर अप निकल के आए हैं OnePlus 9, लेकिन विनर ऑफ दिस कैटेगरी इज Vivo X70 Pro.
So the runner-up for the best phone of 2021 premium category goes to Galaxy Z Fold 3, and the winner, the best premium phone of 2021, goes to iPhone 13 Pro Max.
The runner-up for the best selfie phone 2021 mainstream category goes to iQOO Z3, and the winner is the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max.
The runner-up of the best selfie phone of 2021 in the premium category is the Vivo X70 Pro Plus, while the winner, of course, is none other than the Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max.
So the best camera smartphone of 2021 runner-up is Samsung Galaxy A22 5G, और अगर विनर की बात कर लें वो है Redmi Note 10 Pro Max.
And the runners-up for the best camera phone of 2021 premium segment is the Vivo X70 Pro Plus, and the winner is the Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max.
रनर-अप फॉर द बेस्ट गेमिंग फ़ोन ऑफ 2021 मेनस्ट्रीम है iQOO Z3 और विनर है मेरा फेवरेट पोको X3 Pro।
Hi, this is Amit. The runner-up for the best gaming phone of 2021 under the premium category is the Apple
iPhone 13 Pro Max. And the winner is the Asus ROG Phone 5.
Best smartphone of 2021 overall, and the runners-up for this is the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Congratulations. And the big winner is the Apple iPhone 13. Congratulations again.
வணக்கம் பெஸ்ட் மெயின்ஸ்ட்ரீம் டேப்லெட் ஆஃப் 2021 யார் runner up of the category with the Lenovo Tab K7 and the winner is Realme Pad.
तो 2021 का बेस्ट टैबलेट प्रीमियम सेगमेंट में उसका रनर अप है एप्पल आईपैड मिनी 6th जनरेशन और इसका विनर है एप्पल आईपैड प्रो 12.9 इंचेस M1 चिपसेट के साथ।
The runner-up for the best smart TV of 2021 in mainstream category is the Hisense 43A6 GE 4K TV, and the winner is Samsung AUE 70 Crystal 4K TV.
Best TV of 2021 premium segment. Runner-up is LG C1 65-inch and the winner is Samsung the Frame Series 4K Ultra HD Smart QLED TV 55-inch.
The runner-up for the best laptop of 2021 mainstream is Asus VivoBook K15 and the winner is Mi Notebook Pro.
यहाँ पे रनर अप में है Dell XPS 15 लेकिन विनर है Apple MacBook Pro 16 इंच M1 Max वर्जन।
The best gaming laptop in the mainstream is Asus Zephyrus G15, followed by the runner-up Asus TUF-F15.
बेस्ट गेमिंग लैपटॉप 2021 प्रीमियम सेगमेंट के एक नहीं दो विनर हैं। एक है Asus का ROG Strix Scar 15 और दूसरा है Lenovo का Legion 5 Pro।
Best truly wireless earbuds of 2021. The runner-up is Jabra Elite 2 and the winner is Realme Buds Air 2.
And the next category is Best Truly Wireless Earbuds of 2021 in the premium segment. And we have a tie for the winners. And the winners are Apple AirPods 3 and the Oppo Enco X.
Best Wearable of 2021 mainstream. Runners up goes to Huawei Band 6 and winner is MI Smart Band 6.
Best wearable of 2021 premium, runner up है Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic और इसके विनर है Apple Watch Series 7.
And the runners-up for the most innovative gadget of 2021 is the Samsung Galaxy Flip 3. And the winner, its own sibling, the big brother, the Galaxy Fold 3. Congratulations, Samsung, you have a 2 for 2.
The runner-up for the best mobile SoC 2021 mainstream is Qualcomm Snapdragon 768G and the winner is Qualcomm Snapdragon 860. Hi, this is Piyush and the runner-up for the best SoC of 2021 in premium categories Snapdragon 888 Plus and the winner is Apple A15 Bionic.
The runner-up for this year's best mobile SoC brand is Qualcomm and the winner is MediaTek.
मेरा नाम है संदीप फ्रॉम टेकवानी और अगर बात करें बेस्ट लैपटॉप सीपीयू 2021 मेन स्ट्रीम के अंदर तो यहाँ पर रनर अप निकल के आता है इंटेल का कोर i5-11300H और अगर विनर की बात करें तो वो है AMD Ryzen 5 5500U.
The runner-up for the best laptop CPU of 2021 in premium category is the Intel i9-11900H and the winner is Apple M1 Max.
The most popular phone of 2021, User's Choice is a massive title to win. The runners-up is the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max and the one with the highest number of votes is the Apple iPhone 13. Big one for the fruit company. Congratulations.
The runner-up for the 2021 User's Choice Most Loved Smartphone Brand of the Year goes to Xiaomi, while the winner of this award is Samsung.
The runners-up for the most loved chipset brand of 2021 User's Choice is Qualcomm and the winner is Intel.
The runners-up for the most innovative gadget of 2021 User's Choice is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 and the winner is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3.
And that was it from all of us at IGA 2021. See you next year.
Thank you so much for your massive participation in the User's Choice category and lending us your votes.
We'll see you next year with another edition of the Indian Gadget Awards, the voice of the industry.